Turning to our state versus Anthony Garcia coverage. WOWT 6 News' Erin Murray was in court for the first full day of defense. She tells us that tempers are flaring in the now 13-day-long murder trial.
Yes, court started a little different this morning. Without the jury, both sets of counsel argued over evidence and potential witnesses. Things becoming so heated with comments being made back and forth between prosecutor Don Klein and defense attorney Bob Mata Jr. Mata kept at it, though, and Judge Gary Randall then threatened to hold him in contempt of court if he did not calm down. The defense called their first witness for the day a firearm and combat expert from Virginia. He testified the gun parts found at the Brombach murder scene would go to the same gun model purchased by Garcia, but that the magazine was worn and would be consistent with a weapon that had been used significantly for at least 8 to 9 months. The witness also testified about the wounds Mary Brombach sustained as she and her husband were murdered. He said, quote, "It was a battle," and commended Mary for the fight it appears she put up. Now, before the defense's second and final witness, the jury was dismissed so more objections could be made to Judge Randall. This time it was about the defense being able to bring up other suspects to the different murders. The defense arguing there is a strong similarity between the Thomas Hunter Shirley Sherman murders and the murder of Joy Blanchard, a woman killed with a knife a few months earlier. Now, Brenda Beadle arguing the defense should not be able to just throw out names, that they should have some amount of proof. Judge Randall decided while there is evidence to connect another man to the Hunter Sherman murder scene, there is not enough to connect it to Joy Blanchard's crime. Now, the defense then called that other man's ex-wife to the stand. Her testimony was brief, talking about how he was interviewed by police for the Hunter Sherman killings. For the state, Brenda Beadle quick to point out the man did not match any of the descriptions given by witnesses the day of the murders. Mallory?
Thank you, Erin. And as this trial continues, this reminder, Erin's following this case start to finish. If you'd like to read more in-depth details of what's happening inside the courtroom and how each key piece of evidence connects, check out our continuing coverage, WOWT 6 News app.